Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will tell you about the function keys on this laptop. So the function keys are located in the top row of your laptop, listed from F1 to F12, and they perform different functions. They have secondary and primary and secondary functions. The primary functions are the same for each keyboard but perform different functions in different applications. For example, in most applications, F1 will open the help menu, F5 will reload or refresh the page, and F11 will put your device into full screen mode if you're watching a video. F12 will open the developer tools in browsers, and so on and so on. Your laptop has the secondary functions. To unlock secondary functions, you have to press FN button and escape button at the same time to make the light indicator on your escape button disappear or turn off, and then you'll be able to use F1 to mute your system audio, F2 to decrease your sound volume, F4, F3 to increase it, F4 to mute your microphone, F5 to decrease your display brightness, F6 to increase it, F7 to change projection type, F8 is used to toggle the airplane mode on and off, F9 is used to open settings, F10 to toggle your Bluetooth, F11 is used to open the keyboard system page if you have a dedicated application for it, and F12 is a user-defined function. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.